Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video we have a very exciting topic to talk about, and that is all about ecosystems. Now right in front of me I have a couple of products. We have here Huawei's laptop, Huawei's tablet, a phone, earbuds, and of course the smartwatch. But what we're going to talk about today is how all these devices are communicating with each other to create that super device, super connectivity ecosystem that Huawei has created today. So in today's video I'm going to show you 5 examples of 5 different combinations of how these devices can work with each other to give you an even better experience. Let's begin the video right away. Alright guys, so right here we have the first combination, that is the Huawei P60 Pro and the Huawei MatePad Air, the phone and tablet combination. So how do you get this super device working together? Very easy. Drag down from top right corner, super device, click Huawei P60 Pro, give it a few seconds, it should be connected right away, and there you go. You have the phone already connected to the tablet for the multi-screen collaboration. Say for example, you go into the gallery, you can control the phone directly from the tablet, long press a photo, drag it onto the screen, and right there you've got the picture transferred in just 1 second. It's super fast, and you can take a look at the pictures taken from your phone on the Huawei MatePad Air. Super cool. So this particular tablet, the Huawei MatePad Air, is actually great for doing work on the go. The tablet itself is less than a kg with the keyboard itself, and it is as PC-like as it gets. It's perfect for doing work on the go. You have your WPS Office over here, and you can actually go into a couple of documents, do it on the fly. Very easy. Again, you can drag and drop files directly from the P60 Pro into your documents here for the perfect PC-like experience. Moving on to our second combination, this is between the Huawei MateBook D14 and the P60 Pro. This is going to show you how the computer, the laptop itself, connects to the phone for that super device, super connectivity. Over here, you can just control the phone itself. You can jump into the gallery just like before again, click and drag and drop to the computer, and you can see within a second the photo is actually transferred onto the computer. You don't need a cable whatsoever. Everything is going to be transferred, and straight away you can actually take a look at the photo itself. Whatever was taken on the P60 Pro can be transferred directly to the computer very fast. So just a quick recap, the MateBook D14 here actually comes with the 12th Gen Intel Core i5 P series processor that gives you even more power to play with, and with the Metaline antenna on board, it actually increases file download speeds by up to 43%. And just like I mentioned just now, it works great with the P60 Pro for the super device, super connectivity. Moving on to our third combo, what we have here is a bit more next level. Right here we have the MateBook D14 and the MatePad Air for the laptop, tablet, super device kind of experience. Alright, so as you can see on the screens here, we have 3 options: mirror, extend, and collaborate. So for mirror, what this basically does is just like the name suggests, it mirrors the computer screen on the tablet, and you can use the tablet stylus as well. If I take the stylus, I can actually draw over here and actually mirror whatever I'm drawing directly to the computer, because you can't actually draw on the computer. So this is where you have that super device, super connectivity. Now you can also use the extend mode, which basically uses the tablet as a second screen. And I know a lot of people, sometimes you do some work, you want to have another screen for reference, so you can also do that using the extend mode. And last but not least, we have the collaborate mode, which is again for dragging and dropping files across. Just like how we showed before in the first and second example, it works here the same. You can also drag files directly from the tablet directly onto the computer. Alright guys, so right here we have our fourth combo, that is the FreeBuds 5, the MateBook D14, and the P60 Pro. And what I'm going to show you here is actually the dual device connection. Now what this means is basically the earbuds itself is connected to both the phone and laptop, and how it works is actually pretty cool, because you can be listening to music directly on your phone itself, and you will be able to hear the audio on the earbuds. But say for example you want to jump into a meeting with your colleagues and all that, and you are using your computer, you can actually just make that call directly on the laptop, and you'll be able to hear the audio from the FreeBuds 5 instantly. Again, the same thing here. If you have a phone call coming from your phone, you can answer the phone call, and you will still be able to hear the audio from these earbuds. You do not have to reconnect them, disconnect and all that. It's actually connected to all devices that you have for that super device, super connectivity setup. Alright guys, so we are now at the 5th combo, which is our final combo, and this one I think is personally something that actually relates to a lot of people. Say for example you have your phone, your earbuds, and your watch all together over here, and let me just show you how this all connects together very seamlessly. As you can see, the super device on my phone here, you can see I have all my devices connected: the laptop, the MatePad Air, FreeBuds 5, and the watch itself. Let's say I just want to take a very quick look at my health stats. I just click on that button, click my health stats, and instantly I'll be jumped into the app right away, and you can see that all my stats is over here. Very easy to use. By the way, this watch itself is able to last up to 14 days under ultra long battery life mode. There's a lot of woke up modes, GPS on board, and also a ton of health monitoring features that can be used. And you can see again, all our data is over here for the watch itself. The FreeBuds 5 itself here is actually pretty cool as well. It's able to last up to 30 hours with a fully charged charging case. And charging the earbuds in the case for 5 minutes can give you up to 2 hours of battery life. So I think that's pretty cool as well. I think this is the best combo for your lifestyle because it integrates the phone, your earbuds, and your watch all together for that super device, super connectivity. Alright guys, so with that said, that is pretty much what you can expect with Huawei's ecosystem in 2023. Again, a very impressive lineup of super devices and super connectivity. I think it's best that you try it out in person. Do head over to Huawei's Experiences store here in Malaysia. And of course, they are also having a Merdeka Carnival, so there might be promotions going on with their devices. With that said, if you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to drop a like, sub to the channel if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.